Hey, how's everyone doing? Welcome to Aussie Nightlife. This is my Big Rock version 3, getting it 6S ready. I took out the 100 amp stock ESC, took out the receiver. I'm using the Dumbo with gyro. I added some homemade bumpers using my kids arts and crafts class leftover supplies. It's pretty good. I actually don't need to add this extra one, and I also added a little bit towards the wheelie bar. The corners have glue sticks with duct tape on top. There's a Surpass 150 amp ESC, 2 HRB 3S 6 amp 50C lipos, stock servo, stock motor. These bumpers are pretty good. I added an extra one, but I actually don't need it. But just wanna have extra. Since it's 6S, I'm gonna be doing speed runs. Just got this yesterday. Had this for a month ago, but I never really used it. A heat gun. So yeah, let's see how this run on 6S. Okay guys, I'm outside. I was just playing it for less than 5 minutes, and on the 6S so far I've got 65. Notice it's set to peak, so I'm gonna start recording now. It's at 100%, so it's the full 6S. I'm not sure if you guys can tell the difference between 3S and 6S. Let me see what happens if I full throttle here. Let's see. Oh shit! Wow, I popped the fucking tire. Look at that. That's what 6S can do, alright? I guess I'm gonna end this video. This is it. That was not planned. Anyways. Well, let's just play a little longer. So this is 6S. I'm gonna have to order new tires. Anyways, thanks for watching. Aussie Nightlife.